Good morning. Today's video, we're going to be talking about a couple items that we didn't really realize we needed, one in particular, until we got this new truck camper. Because we have been traveling previously for over 6 years in 2 different camper vans, both of which had big lithium battery systems, which allowed us to not ever have to plug in. So this plugging in stuff, fairly new to us. You know, we're kind of tied to campgrounds right now until we get a new battery system. So we wanted to show you a couple things that have made this a little bit easier plugging in, and one thing specifically that we didn't know we needed, but we have, and we actually used it last night. So
yeah, so we got to this campground in Texas, and I went to plug in, and there's no 30 amp plug-in, and our camper is a 30 amp. There's 2 50 amps and the regular household plug-in. And a couple months ago, I didn't know that there was an adapter for that. But as we were heading towards Arkansas to visit family, we're going to go camp together. And my cousin Billy told me that, hey, the place we're going, the sites are big enough and they allow you to double up 2 campers in the same spot if we can't get our own camp spot. He said what they do is they get an adapter, and one person plugs their 30 amp into the 30 amp, and the other person puts the 30 amp adapter on and plugs into the 50 amp, and it works great. I'm like, didn't know that existed. So I bought one just in case that ever happened. And so we had it for a couple months, and we pulled into this camp spot, beautiful spot here, in outside of, where are we?
we're a little bit southeast of Amarillo.
Amarillo.
Yep.
We should be there by morning, you think?
Yeah.
Sorry. Anyway, so this is our 30 amp outlet, or 30 amp cord, and you should always have a surge protector. So I go to the box to plug in. There's 2 50 amps and this. Like, there's no way to plug a 30 amp into it. But because I was made aware of it and was prepared, I was able to buy this adapter. Perfect, huh?
And now our 30 amp cord plugs right into the surge protector as normal.
Another little adapter that we carry with us, this would be handy if you're visiting family or friends and they don't have a 30 amp for you to plug your camper in at. You can actually plug this into a regular household. Upside down on this one.
That's handy. There you go.
And like that.
Then you have power. So there you have it. There's a solution to a problem we didn't know we were going to have, but shout out, thanks to Billy for letting us know about the adapter, and it saved our bacon.
Yeah,
so,
we were here for 3 days, so it was nice because it was cold.
Very cold. Yeah, we're glad to be able to run the all day without propane, use up all our propane. Anyway, we found something that worked for us and just want to pass it along to you in case it's something that you would find useful and maybe help you out on the road.
And we'll put Amazon links in the video description.
We will.
All right, carry on.
See you down the road. Carry on.
Thanks for watching.
And a very special thank you to our patrons for supporting our channel. Join us over on Patreon for extra videos and more content. Check out our website or Amazon for our pistol book. Carry on.
Carry on.